Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial, where we will explain how to fix Cash App transfer failed. So let's get started. If your Cash App transfer failed, the first thing you should do is check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause the transfer to not go through. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data signal. Next, ensure that your Cash App is up to date by visiting the App Store or Google Play Store, as outdated versions can sometimes cause bugs or failed transactions. Also, double-check that you have enough funds in your Cash App balance or linked bank account. If you're using a debit or credit card, make sure it's still valid and hasn't expired. Sometimes, transfers are declined due to fraud prevention, so if Cash App suspects any unusual activity, it might automatically block the transaction. In this case, try using a different payment method or wait a few minutes before attempting again. You should also verify that your account info such as name, card details, or bank account is entered correctly. If none of these work, go to the profile icon in the app, scroll down, and select Support to contact Cash App directly for help. They can give you more specific details about why the transfer failed and how to fix it. And that's it. You are done.